Ugly me, ugly me.
Ugly me, ugly me? You need to change that one. Ugly me, ugly me. You need to change that.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. The night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end.
Hi guys, Tommy will do he will, where is it? Okay, I'm looking for the video guys. That the signal over here is sucks. You guys have a comment from his birthday. He will read the names that comment and say happy birthday to him guys. And yeah, so
I want to thank everybody who wished me a happy birthday. It was very nice of you. Unnecessary at my age. We don't really.
Why
Anyway,
is it that?
Thank you to Jenny Sakamoto.
Yeah. There's a Ladi Vic.
Ladi Vic.
I don't know, maybe.
Maria Silly Basala.
Yeah.
Anna Baby.
G Club.
G. Clavio. Scarlett Cruz. Florence. Maria Balabas. Balaspas. I'm sorry. I apologize if I get any of these names wrong.
Maria.
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 That's Maria, but it's with a
Yeah, Maria.
Okay, Maria Hasokawa.
Yeah.
Tina
Castro.
5 Castro. Lady Warrior Jazz. Rucelas Samonte. Maria Derit. Onin Borja.
Borja.
I think it was Borja. but-
Yeah, Borja.
okay. Borja, if I pronounce it wrong again, I apologize. Dalia Gabalas. Oidal.
Yeah.
Oidal.
Okay.
Patty 64.
Philippine Island.
Philippine Islands Adventure. Milo A.
The
Filipina. Aaron Aya. Mercedes Bloom. Charm. Azam Abdullah. Glinda Castillo.
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 Huh?
Oh.
That's how we do it, Castillo.
Okay, Castillo.
Okay.
I've seen it spelled that way as Castillo, but okay.
Okay.
Anthony Alcid. Mary Zed. Cindy Pham. Aisha Brickhouse.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Linda McIntosh. Ashley Habibi.
Habibi.
Amanda. Glenda Labugin.
Yeah.
Junalyn Villanova.
Yeah, Villanova.
Jenny Lynn. Fabi Lane. Regina Buenaflor.
Yeah.
TCRG. Beyond Idaho. I like that name, Beyond Idaho. I love the picture that goes with it though.
Yeah.
It's way beyond Idaho. Mylin Gonzalez. Gina Gulebam.
Yeah, Villanova.
Vanessa Jantan.
Yeah.
Marie Yap. Trezian. Eureka Armada. Chi G.
Yeah.
MJY. How do you pronounce
No, just
MJY?
MJY.
MJY. Anna David. Josie Lopez. Rachel Alcazar. Margarita Samante.
Ugly me.
Ugly me. You need to change that one. Ugly me. You need to change that. That's never a good. That's not a good handle. and call me.
Yeah, that's all it says. Happy birthday, Tommy. God bless you. A lot of nice comment over here for you, Hanso.
Guys, again, thank you very much for the well wishes. I appreciate it.
How old are you?
Way too old.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for the wishes for Tommy's birthday.
Fat.
Anyway, guys, bye. He's going to the other house now, guys. Bye. Haircut pa more. You need haircut more.
Yeah, definitely.
More.
I'm not that camera off. The same reason all men die first, because they want to.